Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this sign I got from Dollar Tree as well as some fabric I got from Walmart. I started by painting the top and bottom slats of the sign with barn red acrylic paint, giving that full coverage just on the front. For the center, I painted that with Plaster chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. Next, I am taking this heart that I had left over from Valentine's Day and tracing that out on some cardstock. The heart is about 6.5 by 7.5. Once I had the heart cut out, I cut a piece of the fabric a little bit larger than it, and then applied some Mod Podge to the heart. I just used a sponge to apply it. Once I had one side of the heart completely covered in the Mod Podge, I placed down the fabric and smoothed that out. Used my heating tool to dry it completely, and then I cut off the excess fabric. I then set that aside and used these 12mm half round wood beads I got from Amazon, painted them with English navy acrylic paint. After I had a couple coats of the paint on there, I dried that and then used a fan brush and applied some of that Plaster chalk paint on the tops of the beads, just distressing them a little bit. I then taped down the heart so it stayed in place, and then applied a layer of Mod Podge to the top of the heart. And while the Mod Podge is still wet, I placed all of those beads around the border. The Mod Podge will kind of work as a glue and keep those beads in place. I ended up needing 30 beads total to fill in the border of the heart. I then had ripped strips of fabric, some of the ones I used for the heart, as well as some muslin fabric and some ticking fabric. And I just pinched the fabric pieces in the center and then crisscrossed them back and forth in my hands. I used, I believe, 6 of each pattern just to make sure it was a nice and full bow. Wrapped some twine around the center where I was holding it, pulled it nice and tight, and knotted it a couple times. And then I did end up trimming down the pieces so they weren't as long. I made it a little bit too big. So I believe the pieces of fabric I ended up with were about 6 or 7 inches long. I set that aside, and then I'm taking these clear stamps I got from Temu. Dollar Tree and Walmart have some similar. And then the stamp block I got from Dollar Tree. I placed the stamps that spelled out USA, stamped down the ink pad on those, and then placed that on this tag. I then strung a piece of twine on there, knotted it and cut off the excess, leaving a little bit of the twine between the knot and the tag. And then add some hot glue to my sign and place down my heart. I glued the knot from that tag on the back of the bow and then glued that whole piece on the top left of my sign. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.